Welcome to Bhuvi's e-learning. Do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, click the like button and share this video to your friends. Don't forget to click the bell button for the notifications.
See a program random access to read the characters. So it is a C program. First we are giving the header file here stdio.h and stdlib.h. Next we are moving to the main function int main. Now we are going for the declaration part. So it is a file program, so we are declaring the file variable to read the characters char ch. Next long. To find the position of the character we are giving long position variable and int n. Now we are going to open a file here to read the text and characters in the file. So for that we are using the fopen function. To read the characters we have to first create a text document. I have already created a text document and I have saved the text document as file name as CLab. I have given Anna University CLab programs in Bhuvi's e-learning. Now I will close this. Just right click, choose the copy as path. Otherwise, if that option is not available in your PC or desktop, right click, click the properties. Here at the location, here in the location you will be having the path. You can copy that. Next move to the code block. We are going to paste the path over here. So file name is clab.txt. To read the characters we are going to use the read mode. So R end with the semicolon. Now we are moving to the if conditional statement. So if file is equal to null. What happens if the file is null? Then it is automatically error in opening the file, otherwise the file is empty. You can give the statement in the printf the file is empty or the error in opening the file. So here I am going to give printf statement as error opening the file. Next we are moving to the, we are going to give the return statement over here, return 1. Now to get the file size, listen, so we are going to get the file size. Now for that we are using fseek function here. So fseek within bracket file comma 0 comma seek underscore end. Next long file size equal to ftell within bracket file. Here this ftell function is used to find the position of the file pointer in the file. This function helps us to find the position of the character in the file. So next we are going to the rewind function. Rewind file. This function is used to sets the file. Rewind function used to sets the file pointer at the beginning of the file stream. So we have used three functions, fseek, ftell and rewind. Before that, to read the text documents in the file, we have first opened the file using fopen function. Next, after rewind, we are going to random number. So for that we are going to give srand bracket time time, again open bracket, within that bracket we are giving null. This function is used to send a random number generator to read the characters in the text document. So next we are moving to the randomly accessing the character. For that we are going for the printf statement. So printf, enter the number of characters to randomly access. End with a semicolon and use the scanf function over here. Scanf modulus of d, comma, and n. End with a semicolon. Now we are going for the if conditional statement over here. So if n is greater than file size, suppose if the text document is only approximately 30 characters, but you are entering the number of characters to randomly access 40 or 35, then we will get this condition to be checked. So open the bracket. Now printf number of characters exceeds the file size, and with a semicolon return the statement. Now return 1. We are moving for the for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Next position, to find the position of the characters, position equal to random, rand. Modulus of file size, and with a semicolon. To move the file pointer to the random position, we are giving it, we give the random position as 3. It should be printed it should print 3 random characters in this. So for that we are going to give the fseek function, file, comma pos position, comma seek underscore set. Next, to read the characters at the current position, we are going to give the ch equal to fgetc within bracket file, end with the semicolon. To generate the random position within the file, we are giving the characters over here. So file. Next, to get the output of the characters, we are going to give the printf statement over here. So printf character at position modulus of d 1d colon, again modulus of c slash n, comma so the variables position and character, end with a semicolon. So now we are going to close the file. So fclose is used here, fclose, and the variable is file, end with a semicolon and return the function here, return zero. Now let us build and run the program. So enter the number of characters to randomly access. So I will give 6 times. So here character at position 23 is R and character at position 4 has not been given. Let us check again the text document. Character at position 16, 44, 12 and 18. These positions are taken randomly, but we have accessed the text document 6 times. So here the position is checked for 6 times, randomly accessed. So the program took for execution is 6.830 seconds. If you check the text document at the position of 12, See here, if we check the position at the text document of 12, it is given as I. Let us check the text document. If you count over here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here at the position of 12, I is there. So the output is correct. If you have any queries, text me in the comment.
Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, press the like button and share to your friends. Thank you.